Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can locate the number of subscriber or the latest person that subscribed to your YouTube channel. So if this is the video that you love to watch, please just stick to the channel as I take you around how you can see the last person that subscribed to your YouTube channel, or the where you can locate your subscriber on your YouTube channel. So to do that, you first of all go to your Play Store. If you go to your Play Store, locate your Play Store and make sure that your YouTube channel is up to date. So make sure that you upload your YouTube app. Yes, your normal YouTube app up to date. So if I type my YouTube here, then click on it, I will see that. Then I click on it. As you can see, I need to upload my YouTube. So if you do not have YouTube, you can download it directly for your Play Store or your Apple Store. So I will click on it and wait for it to upload. So I will, once this is done, I will continue from where I stop. Okay, it's already uploading, so let's just wait for it. It's already updating, so let's just wait for it to complete the update. If you have not updated your own, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and update your YouTube app. It is very, very important so that you'll be getting the latest update, the latest icon that will be added to the YouTube app. So after updating my YouTube app, the next thing I need to do is to click on it to open. So I'll wait for it to load. So after loading, I will come to this my right bottom corner, click on my profile, then come to the click on channel. So after clicking on the channel, so this is where you can locate your subscriber, the latest person that subscribed to your YouTube channel. If you want to check your subscriber, you click on this particular place. I think this just added to YouTube. It has not been there for some time now. I think I've been seeing it since I updated my app. So click on it, then you will see the number of subscribers that you have here. This is how to locate your subscriber. If you are looking for if you are looking for anybody to subscribe to the channel, you can come to this place. So assuming that I want to subscribe to this person channel, okay, before that, you see this particular place. It is range. This is a filter that is from the last person that subscribed. This is the last person that subscribed to my YouTube channel. So this is the second person. So you just range that way downward. So if you want to change this filter, you can click here. You see this place. This is subscriber count. If I click on this place, it will give me that is the subscriber that have the highest number. So, but I prefer it clicking on this latest. So it will range from latest to from the last person that subscribed to the first person that subscribed to my channel. So I have them a lot here. So I think this is all my subscriber. This is all my subscriber. But there's one thing that you take note. If someone subscribed to your YouTube channel and decided to make it private, it will not appear here. It is only when they make it public, then I subscribe to your channel, then I make it public. That is when I will appear on your list here. So this is how you can check your subscriber on your YouTube channel. If I want to subscribe to this person's channel, I can easily click here. Let me see. I can easily click here and subscribe to the person. As you can see, I've already subscribed to the person's YouTube channel. So this is how you can locate your subscriber on your YouTube channel. I believe this video has been helpful. So please do not forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be notified. And always make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment on how we can improve on our channel so that we can serve you better. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.